If you've been wanting to add SMS to your marketing, but feel like every platform out there is either crazy expensive or way too complicated, this video is for you. I'm Kasey, and I run an email and SMS marketing agency where we help e-commerce and small business brands maximize their revenue. On this channel, I share free tutorials and strategies that actually work. If you find this helpful, please drop your favorite emoji in the comments because that helps me and my team continue producing these videos for you. Today, I'm walking you through TextMagic, a simple, affordable SMS platform that's perfect for small businesses just getting started with text marketing. This video is sponsored by TextMagic, but I wouldn't be recommending it if I wasn't confident in the product. We'll cover when SMS makes sense for your business, the key features that you need to know about, and how to set up your first campaign and an automation. So let's dive right in. Why SMS for small businesses? Here's why SMS is such a powerful channel. People actually read text messages. While email open rates hover around 30%, pretty much everyone opens their texts. In rare occasions that they don't, they see the preview of the message on their lock screen because everyone has notifications on for texts. This is how SMS gives you immediate, quantifiable results. You send a text about a flash sale at 10 a.m., and by 11 a.m. you can see exactly how many people showed up. That kind of instant feedback is huge for small businesses. Let me give you some real-world examples of when SMS absolutely kills it. For service businesses, appointment reminders. If you run a salon, a dental office, or consulting business, SMS reminders reduce no-shows like crazy. One text reminder can save you hundreds in lost revenue. For retail and restaurants, flash sales and time-sensitive promotions. Happy hour starts in 30 minutes, or flash sale ends tonight. These messages get people in the door immediately. For customer service, quick responses to inquiries. Your customers can text you a question and get an answer without waiting on hold or digging through email. Here's the thing though, most SMS platforms are built for enterprise companies. They're overwhelming if you're just starting out, and they're expensive. That's where TextMagic comes in. Simple, multi-purpose, and actually affordable for small businesses. Two-way SMS and multi-channel inbox. Alright, so here's one of TextMagic's standout features, and honestly, this is what makes it different from a lot of other SMS platforms out there. Two-way SMS. This isn't just about blasting out messages. You can actually have conversations with your customers. When someone replies to your text, you see it right in TextMagic. You can respond, keep track of the conversation, and build actual relationships with your customers. This is huge because most small businesses think of SMS as one way. Send a promo, done. But the real power is in the back and forth. Someone texts you, hey, do you have this in stock? And you can answer immediately. Now, this is where it gets really exciting and even better. TextMagic has a multi-channel inbox. Think about how you're probably managing customer communication right now. You've got SMS in one app, WhatsApp notifications on your phone, Instagram DMs in another place, Facebook messages somewhere else, and then your website chat widget lives in yet another tab. This gets messy really fast. TextMagic puts all of that into one unified inbox. You can connect WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook, and boom, all of your customer messages show up in one place. You can add their chat widget to your website too, so even live chat conversations come through the same inbox. You can start new conversations through calls and SMS whenever you want. For WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook, you can reply to messages that someone sends to you within 24 hours. So if a customer DMs you on Instagram asking about your hours, you can reply right from TextMagic. No need to switch apps. Your first SMS campaign. So let's talk about actually sending your first SMS campaign. But before we get into the fun stuff, we need to talk about compliance. I know, not super exciting, but this is actually where TextMagic shines. If you're sending texts in the US or Canada, there are very strict rules around SMS sender settings. You need something called 10DLC verification. Without it, your messages won't get delivered, or worse, they will be flagged as spam. Here's the thing. A lot of SMS platforms leave you hanging with this process. TextMagic actually helps you through the entire 10DLC verification. They have support specifically for this, which is a huge differentiator. You're not fighting this on your own. Why does this matter? Because once you're verified, your messages actually get delivered and customers trust that it's really you texting them. It's the foundation of everything else you're going to do with SMS. Now we're getting closer to the fun stuff. Uploading contact is very straightforward. You can import a CSV file with your customer list. The key is making sure that you have proper consent. You can't text just anyone. They need to have opted in to receive messages from you. When you're uploading, you can add custom fields. For a small business, if you have information on your customers and subscribers that actually helps you segment people later, definitely include that in your CSV file. These are things like first names, service preferences, so things like haircuts versus coloring, massage types, etc., preferred appointment times, mornings, evenings, weekends, birthday or anniversary dates, and things like that. These custom fields let you personalize your messages later, and that can help you increase conversion rates and revenue from the SMS channel, so don't skip this part. Now let's set up a simple broadcast campaign. This is the bread and butter of SMS marketing. For this example, let's pretend that I'm a realtor and I want to send an SMS promoting a new property that just went on the market to my VIP prospects. TextMagic actually has a template for this, so I'll just click Insert Template and select Property Promo. Now I can edit the details to match the actual property that I'm promoting. Next, I'll click on Dynamic Fields and we'll add the first name personalization because as a realtor, I actually have first names for all of my contacts and especially my prospects. There are countless other personalization options so you can make your messages truly feel like one-on-one conversations. Pro tip, optimize your message for the lock screen preview. Everyone has SMS notifications on, and even if they don't open your message, they will for sure see the notification preview. So start the message with the most exciting part. Simple segmentation. Then you choose who gets the message. Maybe you only want to text people who haven't visited in 60 days, or just your VIP customers, or everyone in a specific city. Let me show you a few practical segments that you might create. VIP customers, people who've spent over a certain amount. Local customers only if you have a physical location, or maybe customers by service preference. The key is keeping your segments simple at first. Don't overcomplicate it and just start with 2 to 3 basic segments and build from there as you learn how it works. Finally, preview your message and decide when to send it. You can send immediately or schedule it for a specific time, which can be super useful. Basic automation. Alright, so we've covered broadcast campaigns. That's you manually deciding what to send and when. But let me show you how to set up some basic automations that run on Autopilot. And this is the true unlock for small businesses. TextMagic has an automations flows feature that lets you create triggered messages. What you can see on the screen right now is just a few examples of things that you can automate. And the coolest part is that TextMagic gives you the templates for all of these and more out of the box. Let's go through a few examples of these automations. Number 1, welcome messages. When someone subscribes to your SMS list through TextMagic's subscribe form, you can automatically send them a welcome message. This is super straightforward to set up. Think of it like your welcome email, but way shorter. Thanks for joining. Here's 10% off your first visit, and then a URL link. Number 2, review requests. After someone makes a purchase or books a service, automatically send them a text a few days later asking for a review. This is huge for local businesses. One text can get you Google reviews that bring in new customers for months. Finally, after-hours SMS auto-reply, where you can send automated SMS replies when messages arrive outside of your business hours. Here's what one of these automations looks like. You set the trigger, like contact is added to a list, and then you define what happens. Send this message, wait this many days, send another message if they haven't done X yet, and so on. Automations are also available for email sequences and email plus SMS combined. For example, if we're talking about post-purchase, the SMS could be a simple thank you and a confirmation, and then the email can provide more details about what they purchased, your company background, or helpful links to connect with your business on socials. When TextMagic makes sense. Alright, so let's talk about whether TextMagic is the right fit for you and your business. TextMagic is ideal if you're just getting started with SMS marketing. You don't need every bell and whistle. You just need something simple that you can set up today and start using. You need multi-channel customer communication in one place. If you're juggling SMS, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook messages, and website chat, and you're tired of switching between all of those apps, this solves that problem. You send any volume of messages. Here's what I love about TextMagic's pricing. It's true pay as you go. No monthly minimums, no commitments. You buy credits once and then you use them when you need them. Send 50 text messages this month, you pay for 50 texts. Your credits never expire, and if you decide that it's not for you, you have 100% money back guarantee on unused credit. And if your volume grows, which it will once you see how well SMS works, TextMagic scales with you. For businesses sending thousands of messages per month, they offer monthly plans that are even more cost-effective. You want something you can set up today without technical knowledge. No developers required, no complicated integrations. You can get up and running this afternoon. Finally, you have a limited marketing budget. This is a big one. If you're a small business and you don't have $300 to $500 per month to spend on SMS marketing, TextMagic gives you a legitimate option that actually works. Oh, and one more. You run a service-based or local business. If you're a salon, a consultant, a restaurant, a real estate agent, healthcare provider, SMS is absolutely perfect for your business model, and TextMagic is built for exactly what you need. What to know before you start. Now, if you're running a high-volume e-commerce store and need sophisticated automations like abandoned cart sequences that automatically pull product images from Shopify, then you will need to set up a Zapier or an API connection with TextMagic. It takes a bit more time to configure than a simple broadcast campaign, but once it's running, it saves you tons of time in the long run since everything happens automatically. Quick pricing context. TextMagic has straightforward pricing. You can see their exact rates on their website, but here's the general idea. You pay per message sent, or you can get a monthly plan if you're sending higher volume. Compare that to enterprise SMS platforms, where you're paying $200 to $300 per month minimum, plus per message fees on top of that. For a small business, TextMagic's pricing makes way more sense. Here's how I think about ROI. Let's say you run a salon. You send one SMS campaign to 100 customers about a flash sale. If just 3 people book appointments because of that text, you've probably covered your SMS costs for the entire month. Everything else on top of that is profit. All right, so here's the recap. TextMagic is your accessible entry point into SMS marketing as a real communication channel for your business, not just a marketing tool. The progression is simple. Start with SMS for broadcasts and basic communication. Build relationships through the two-way SMS conversations. Then evolve into more structured communication with multi-channel inbox, all in the same platform. One more thing. TextMagic set up a special promo code for you. It's extra credit on your account when you sign up. You'll find the link and the code in the video description below. Start with one simple broadcast campaign this week. Don't delay this, just open an account, use the code in the description, and get started. Make it simple, upload the contacts that you have, send them a promo or invite them to something, or say thanks for being a customer. Then watch the responses, build relationships, continue conversations, see how it goes, and go from there. Before you know it, you will be connecting your Instagram account so that you can DM with people from there as well, and setting up your first automations. Thank you so much for watching. If this was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel because I'm dropping more tutorials on email and SMS marketing every week or every other week. Drop a comment and let me know whether you like this video, whether you're already using SMS for your business, or if this is something that you're about to try for the first time. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.